Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, let me thank you for following me and doing subscribe, liking and sharing. As you can see here on screen, our lesson of today is pronoun. Okay, so let me start by saying in a few words about pronoun. Pronoun are words which are used to substitute or replace nouns to avoid repetition, also for emphasize or for other reason. We have four main type of pronoun, as you can see here. So let's start with the first type. The first type is a pronoun that used to replace the subject of a sentence. Okay, for example, the teacher helps the students. Okay, the teacher helps students. So here, what is the subject of this sentence? The subject is a teacher, because teacher is the word of the action of this sentence, and helps is action verb or verb of action, and students is an object because students is the receiver of the action. Okay, so we have here, as you say, under this sentence we can replace teacher with a pronoun. Okay, and we put he. He is substitute of the subject teacher. He refers to teacher, and action helps, and them is substitution of students. Okay, he and them is a pronoun. Subject pronoun here is he, and them is an object pronoun. It refers to student. And second type of pronoun will be position pronouns, and position pronouns are used to show position and ownership. For example, that is my money, it's not yours. That is my money, it's not yours. Okay, so here, if you notice this example, we have double sentence. Okay, the first one, that is my money. Second one is not yours. Let's notice second one, it's not yours. So it here is replace the money. Okay, replace the money, and yours is an object pronoun, So what's the relationship between the two sub pronoun? Here, for showing a position, just for showing a position between ownership or position or possessive, and between the first pronoun, which is it, or which replace the subject or the actual subject, which is the money. Generally, we use a position pronouns to show a position or ownership of something. Okay, as we have here, money is the actual pronoun, as we say, and yours is it can replace someone else or somebody, and refer to someone, as we say. We can here use, for example, it's not your money. It's not your money. Here we avoid repetition, which is the word money. It's not your money, for example. It's not your money. And we put yours. And yours is a possession pronoun, is used instead for or in place of someone, for example, or you, etc. So this or here we avoid a repetition and we put a possession pronoun which is yours, as showing the relationship between ownership and subject or the main subject, etc. Okay, let's move to the third one or third type of pronoun, which is reflexive pronouns. What does it mean, or what does it mean? Reflexive pronouns are only emphasize that subject of the sentence is the actual performer of the action. They can never be used as the main subject of a sentence. What does it mean? That is mean that reflexive pronoun come to emphasize, okay, to show us where is actual the subject of a sentence or a particular sentence. Show us or to emphasize the actual pronoun is the subject of that sentence, okay, or in other word, to show us where is or who the actual performance of a action, okay. Also, they can never be used as the main subject of a sentence. Reflexive pronoun cannot or cannot use them as the main subject of a sentence, like subject pronoun, okay. Let's see an example to make you understand more. Stay with us. Look at this example. The doctor himself told me the truth. The doctor himself told me the truth. The doctor here is the actual subject or is the actual doer of the action of the sentence, and we have a reflexive pronoun himself. We use it to emphasize or to show you that the doctor is doer or the actual doer action of this sentence, okay. And himself is a reflexive pronoun, as we see here. A reflexive pronoun which is himself come to show you or to emphasize the real performance of the action, okay. Finally, let me show you a short comparison between the subject pronoun and object pronoun, okay. As we see here, subject pronoun are used to replace the subject of the sentence, okay. Subject pronoun are used to replace the subject of a sentence, as we see at in the first example, okay. While objective pronoun substitute for the receiver of the action, which is the object. Let's have an example here, or look at this picture. The first one, Siham visits Laura. So Siham here is the word with action. Siham is the main subject of this sentence. Visit is the verb action, and Laura is an object. That mean Laura here he received the action or is the receiver of the action of this sentence. We can replace Siham with a subject pronoun, as we see here. We put she. she visits her, and her is an object pronoun. So we replace the door action or subject pronoun with the pronoun subject, which is she, and substitute or replace the receiver of the action, which is Laura, or receiver action, with object pronoun, which is her. Our course of today is go over. Thank you for watching this video and follow me. See you next time. See you next lesson, inshallah. Stay with us, and don't forget to subscribe and liking and sharing to notice more video of learning English. Thank you. Goodbye.